Hello and welcome aboard Let's Learn Kikuyu as I, Mwaliwa Mage, continue giving you some Kikuyu lessons. In this lesson, we lay emphasis on the simple future tense, and as we do it here, we name a verb, give it its respective Kikuyu name, then form a sentence to see how the tense comes to light. Let's get going. The verbs that are going to help us lay our foundation in this exercise include I can, which means nohote, nohote. Another is I could, which means dahota, dahota. I must is no ginyagia, no ginyagia. I might also means dahota, dahota. In the simple future tense, we have the auxiliary verb shall, which in Kikuyu means nego, nego, but nego is not a word by itself. So this is used to aid a verb to give it a meaning. And for example, when you say, I shall drink, then you'll say, ne gonywa, ne gonywa. When you say, I shall eat, then you say, ne goria, ne goria. Another auxiliary verb we use is will. So when you want to say he will, you will say we ne. But because this is not a word by itself, then when you mean he will drink, then you will say we ne e konywa, we ne e konywa. And when you are referring to it, then you say it will drink. You say yo ne konywa, yo ne konywa. Another verb to aid us when making the future tenses is I should, which in Kikuyu means ne jagireirwo, ne jagireirwo. Just like I will, I would, which means igieda, igieda, cannot be used all by itself. It needs a verb to make meaning. So when you want to say, I would like to know, you will say, igieda kumenya, igieda kumenya. And now to look at sentence examples. To return something is gusokia, gusokia. So, when you say you must return your assignment on time, in Kikuyu, no ginyagia usokie wira waku riria riagirire. No ginyagia usokie wira waku riria riagirire. To see is kuona, kuona. So in the simple future tense, the doctor can see you tomorrow. Dagitari no ahote gukuona rũciũ. Dagitari no ahote gukuona rũciũ. When you want to say she might be the love of my life, then you say ahota gukorwo niwe mwendwa wakwa. Ahota gukorwo niwe mwendwa wakwa. To win is kuhota, kuhota. And if you say gũcinda, you are talking of the same thing. When you say I am going to win in the spirit of simple future tense, you say nĩngũhotana, nĩngũhotana. And if you say nĩngũcinda, you are also correct. To call is gwĩta. Gwĩta. When you want to ask a person, shall I call a doctor for you? You will ask, no ngwĩtĩre ndagĩtarĩ. No ngwĩtĩre ndagĩtarĩ. To lift means kuoya. Kuoya. When you are sending a warning to another person, warning them of the consequences of lifting heavy things, then you'll say, ndukae kuoya indo nditũ. Wahota gũthũkia mũgongo waku. Ndukae kuoya indo nditũ. Wahota gũthũkia mũgongo waku. And still on a celebratory mood regarding what Eliud Kipchoge did in Vienna, we say, we are to sing a song for the No Human Limited Fate. In Kikuyu, tũkũina rwĩmbo rwa gũkũngũĩra gũtirĩ mũndũ ũtangĩhota. Tũkũina rwĩmbo rwa gũkũngũĩra gũtirĩ mũndũ ũtangĩhota. To grow is gũkũra. Gũkũra. So to say, I might grow maize next season, you'll say, ndahota gũkũria mbembe kĩmera gĩgũka. Ndahota gũkũria mbembe kĩmera gĩgũka. To try is kũgeria. Kũgeria. So to say, they will try to play football in that pitch tomorrow. It says in Kikuyu, nimakageria gũthaka mũbira kĩharo-inĩ kĩu rũciũ. Nimakageria gũthaka mũbira kĩharo-inĩ kĩu rũciũ. And here I would want you to notice the difference of I will, nĩngũ, and they will, nĩma. Nĩma. So that's the plural. Nĩngũ, nĩma. To arrange is kũbanga. Kũbanga. When you say, I will arrange a meeting to discuss the results in simple future tense, nĩngũbanga mũcemanio kwarĩrĩria moimĩrĩra. Nĩngũbanga mũcemanio kwarĩrĩria moimĩrĩra. To drive is gûtwarithia. Gûtwarithia. To say, I will drive your car to the countryside, nĩngũtwarithia ngari yaku gĩcagi. Nĩngũtwarithia ngari yaku gĩcagi. To go is gũthiĩ. Gũthiĩ. When you want to say you won't go to the wedding, you will say, ndigũthiĩ ũhiki. Ndigũthiĩ ũhiki. To carry is gũkua. Gũkua. If you want somebody that he or she will not be able to carry the luggage before him or her by himself or herself, then you'll say, ndũngĩhota gũkua mũrigo ũyũ wĩ wika. Ndũngĩhota gũkua mũrigo ũyũ wĩ wika. To watch is kwĩrorera. Kwĩrorera. To say that somebody will not be able to watch the marathon, you say, we ndekũhota kwĩrorera ihenya rĩa marathon. We ndekũhota kwĩrorera ihenya rĩa marathon. And on that note, my dear listener, we draw an end to this lesson. Thank you for taking this journey with me. The tenses have been wonderful, and we look forward to more new lessons. From me, it's goodbye.